This is Total Parts Pro. Today with 2018 Mazda 3, stock number 7390. It's ran from 11/2013 to the 2nd 2019. There's a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, left front 16-inch factory mega tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, left-hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right-hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right-hand door mirror, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, front courtesy light, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,